Right. Oh, this will be another tight one. Good afternoon, me old sporadactyls, dinkles and poppety pings. How the devil are ya? I hope you're well. Right, we're just tipped here in this farm, and yeah, this is going to be another tight one. I've got to go up here and turn round, so I'm just mindful. There's only one way in and one way out. So I'll just try and get it straight, and then I'll just level this trailer off. Because there we go. Sort that out in a bit. Right. So I think if I nose up here to the left, I should technically be able to reverse it back round to get out. I'll put it up there. Just half watch, there's a bit of a drop on here. Just clear this gate. I think if I nose it up here, I should be able to back it into there. Touch wood. That's the plan. Sometimes things never go to plan though. It's the only thing. Just nose him up here. I don't want to go too far up in field. Sowing the seeds of love and all that. Right, just mindful here. Let's get a kink on it ready. Just half watch because of this gate as we come through. If I can just clear this fence and this gate and all this wood and all this crap, blah 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 blah, I should technically, in a minute, there's another gate outside of me, you see. Just clear this gate post here. Just get a swing on it. Just follow it round, there's another big fence post here, now you see. Try and follow that round now. I'll just see where this fence is here, hang on. Oh, great. Yeah, I'm alright. I'll follow that round now. Try and follow it round. I've cleared that fence post. There we go. Oh, just. Might have to do a shunt. Yeah, we've just cleared that. That should do us. Right, just get it straight. Cheers, Paul. See you later, mate. Just get it straight now. We can get out. Yeah. If in doubt, get out, have a look, have a walk about, have a mooch. Position yourself, see where you need to be. Because if you hear that horrible scrape and thud, I'm just mindfully just coming through, because this is what they're going to be building here, a new shed. So I have to put it right over towards this tyre and then just turn him up last second. Not much room, because we don't want to go down there on a Friday. There we go. That's us. We're out of here. Woo! Good morning, me old sporadactyls, dinkles and poppety pings, and how the devil are ya?